Hi there, it's Sam from Pootles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today. Today's project is going to be this one. It's going to be a little treat pouch, and I pulled this together using some more very old retired paper. I don't know what's going on with my phone. I share an eBay account with my husband. It's probably bidding on something. Yeah, I got some really old designer series paper, and I found this square of 6x6, so I thought, what am I going to make with it? I'm going to pull it together and make a no glue, no cut little bag. And one of my sons, Oliver, who's my youngest son, who's now 15, he was 2 when I, well, not even 2 when I started, he has fallen in love with this paper. He spotted it in the catalogue and he went, oh Mum, I really love that paper. And he liked the I don't know if it was called Aurora Borealis, but it was that sort of Aurora paper, and he really liked that, and I made a card for him using it. And he's really, this has caught his attention. So I thought, we'll make a little bag and put some sweeties in it for him, because he sent out all your catalogues. He bagged them all up, he labelled them, and he did the whole lot. So, you know, it's only right that I do a little thank you. And I don't know whether to do that purple paper or this one that's more blue. But actually what I want it to do is end up that way round, because that is how the box pulls together. And I'm thinking this blue. I was going to go purple. I'm not now going to go blue. Right, so you need a piece of paper that's 6x6. Oh, I forgot to say, this is called Scenic Coast. A piece of paper 6x6 inches. 15 by 15 centimeters. Very easy to make. The first side is the right way round side, so you need to position it so that you know that that's going to be what shows up. So score it at 1 inch and 5 inches, which is 2.5 and 12.5 centimeters. I hope he's winning the auction. And then turn it around and score it at 2.5 and 3.5 inches, which is 6.2, yeah, 6 1/4 and 8 3/4 centimeters. Oh, for goodness sake, Samantha, sort your brain out. I can't remember what I'm speaking or saying. It's going to finish up at 1 inches by 4 by 2.5 inches, which is 2.5 by 10 by 6 1/4 centimeters. Please don't worry about writing anything down. It's all on my blog. Even if I can't say the words out loud, they are written down. I'm going to burnish all of this up. Okay, and so that's the side that I want on show, but I need to create some like extra score lines so that it pulls together, and I want a diagonal line that's going into this part. So it's very difficult to show on dark cardstock, but I've just put my thumb in and created that mark. So I'm bending into this part and keeping that little square straight. Can you see? You could measure and do a diagonal line, but it's paper and I have thumbs and fingers, and it's just as quick to do that. And you can go in and burnish if you want, which I want to do. And it's going to pull in, whoopsie, just like so. So you don't need any glue, you can add glue. I'm going to take my squashies and drumsticks, which are the best flavour. I haven't yet tried the cherry coke flavour. If anybody in the UK has tried the cherry coke flavour, let me know, is it worth it? So they're just sitting inside there, and I'm just going to put a binder clip because he's a boy, he's going to just destroy it getting into it anyway. And that shiny side, I don't know if I showed that particularly well in the papers. 1/2 is so this would be the sky, that's the horizon line, and this is the water. So you get the reflection on the bottom half, not the top half. So again, that's a very moody water. That's red sky at night, shepherd's delight. you get in the end. So it's the bottom half that's shiny, or the bottom portion, because that's like 2/3. So I've got the little shiny side out, and then because you worked so hard for me getting all of the catalogues out to you all, I want to say thank you, and I can't thank you enough. This is the banner saying, consider yourself hugged, you're the sweetest. So I think I'm going to go can't thank you enough, and I'm going to get my Sharpie and just go around there. And that's, you know, if I was doing loads of different sentiments, and I've Sharpied onto the thicker plastic, if I was doing loads and I had all sorts out, I would want to know that I'd got them all back in place again. Yeah, so what colours have we got in here? So these are the blues. We've got balmy blue, blueberry bushel. We've also got crushed curry, gorgeous grape, Highland heather and strawberry slush. So I'm going to go blueberry bushel, I think, which is a Regal's. And I had a scrap of white. Oh, which one did I want? I think I want the top one. These come as a bundle together, which is good. And then I've got some black linen thread. Oopsie. And I'm just gonna, actually this is baker's twine, not linen thread, and it comes as a pack of 5 different colours. These are the other 4, so it's all the neutrals. I'm going to grab my dimensionals. And I can add that over there. Probably put some embellishments on, but I can't get to those right now. They're behind stuff. But that is a cute little gift to say thank you. That could be a table favour, that could be a party favour, it could be, oopsie, thrown around. Oh look, that's the back. Ooh, that's quite nice, because actually that's literally 2 different sides, or 2 different complete patterns, so it's not even half and half. But I love it, and I hope he will too. So I'm going to take some photographs and then go and put that on his desk in his bedroom. So, oh, focus, there we go. I love the shine on it. Anyway, thank you ever so much for joining me. Hope to speak to you very soon. Bye.